Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change background in Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. To begin, join a Microsoft Teams meeting. While in the meeting, click on those three dots. Choose Background Effects. This will open the background settings. In the background settings panel, you will find a variety of preloaded background options. Select the one you like, or if you want to add your own, click here. This allows you to upload an image as your background. After selecting or adding your background, click Apply and turn on video. This will set your chosen background for the current meeting. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.